Your Kargil heroes. Out of many heroes of Kargil war, which was fought between India and Pakistan from May to July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and all along the LOC. Today I shall be talking about two such Indian Army living soldiers, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, Paramveer Chakra, now Honorary Lieutenant Yogendra Singh Yadav, and Rifleman Sanjay Kumar Paramveer Chakra, now Subedar Sanjay Kumar, who were awarded India's highest military honor, the Paramveer Chakra, for their extraordinary courage and devotion towards their duty during the Kargil war. Yogendra Singh Yadav was born on 10th May 1980 in village Aurangabad Ahir, Bulandshahr district of Uttar Pradesh. His father Karan Singh Yadav served in the Kuman regiment, participated in the 1965 and 1971 Indo-Pakistan wars. Yadav joined Indian Army at age 16 years and 5 months. Yadav enlisted with the 18 Grenadiers and part of the Ghatak Force Commando Platoon, tasked to capture 3 strategic bunkers on Tiger Hill in the early morning hours of 4 July 1999. The bunkers were situated at the top of a vertical snow-covered 1000 feet, that is 300-meter cliff face. Yadav volunteered to lead the assault, climbed the cliff face and installed ropes that would allow further assaults on the feature. Halfway up, machine gun and rocket fire came from an enemy bunker, killing the platoon commander and 2 others. In spite of being hit by multiple bullets in his groin and shoulder, Yadav climbed the remaining 60 feet, that is 18 meters, and reached the top. Though severely injured, he crawled to the rest of the bunker and lobbed a grenade, killing 4 Pakistani soldiers and neutralizing enemy fire. This gave the rest of the platoon the opportunity to climb up the cliff face. Yadav then charged the second bunker along with the 2 of his fellow soldiers and engaged in hand-in-hand combat, killing 4 Pakistani soldiers. The platoon subsequently succeeded in capturing Tiger Hill. Though Yadav was hit by 21 bullets, he played a major role in its capture. For his action at Tiger Hill during Kargil war at the age of 19, he received the highest military honor, the Paramveer Chakra, and the youngest to be awarded in Indian military history.
और तब तक एक विश्वास भी मैंने पैदा कर लिया था कि अगर इसने सर और सीने में गोली नहीं मारी, चाहे मेरा हाथ पैर दोनों ही काट करके ले जाए, मैं उफ तक नहीं करूंगा और मैं जिंदा रहूंगा। मैं उस विश्वास की बदौलत आज आपके सम्मुख भी बैठा हूँ।
Rifleman Sanjay Kumar was born in village Kalol Baken in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. Prior to joining the army, he worked as a taxi driver in New Delhi. His application was rejected 3 times before he was finally selected to join the army, 13th Battalion, Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. During the Kargil war, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar volunteered to be the leading scout of the attacking column, the 13th Battalion, Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, tasked to capture area flat top of point 4875 in the Mushkan Valley on 4 July 1999. During the attack, when enemy automatic fire from one of the Sangars posed stiff opposition and stalled the column, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, realizing the gravity of the situation and with utter disregard to his personal safety, charged at the enemy. In the ensuing hand-to-hand combat, he killed 3 of the intruders and was himself seriously injured. Despite his injuries, he charged onto the second Sangar. Taken totally by surprise, the enemy left behind a universal machine gun and started running. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar picked up the UMG and killed the fleeing enemy. Though bleeding profusely, he refused to be evacuated. The brave action on his part motivated his comrades, and they took no notice of the treacherous terrain and charged onto the enemy and wrested the area flat top from the hands of the
हम शांति चाहते हैं, ये तो दुनिया ने देखा। अब दुनिया ये देखेगी कि हम शांति की रक्षा के लिए और अपनी शक्ति का भी प्रदर्शन कर सकते हैं। लड़ाई के परिणाम के बारे में भी मेरे मन में कोई संदेह नहीं है। हमारी विजय निश्चित है और हम विजयी होकर दिखाएंगे।
तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो।